Good morning. Today is the day. No Google Translate, no app, no help. Just me and my brain. Can I survive? Okay, this already feels dangerous. Oh, who's that so early?
Good morning. Ready for your big challenge?
Wait, how do you know about my challenge?
You posted it on your story last night. No Google Translate tomorrow. Pray for me.
Right, I did. I thought nobody saw that.
Too late. I'm your support team now. Come on, Real English Day starts now.
Wait, coffee first, please.
You and your coffee. Okay, let's make some.
Look, I can do this. I can speak in English only. Watch me.
Okay, I'm watching.
I make the coffee.
Close. Say, I'm making coffee.
I'm making coffee. I'm making coffee. Good. See? Easy.
Nice. You survived breakfast English.
Step 1, coffee. Step 2, panic in public.
Perfect plan. Let's go outside and test your English in real life.
No translator, no fear. Let's do this. Every journey starts with a small step. Today, mine starts without Google Translate. Mistakes will come, but so will progress. Let's see what happens next.
All right, English hero. Ready for your next mission?
Mission? Again? I just survived breakfast English.
Yes, but now it's time for the real world. No Google Translate.
Okay, I can do this. Just talk, smile, and don't cry.
Exactly. Let's grab a coffee and practice.
But we already had coffee.
This one's not for caffeine. It's for confidence.
Confidence latte. I like that.
Good morning. What can I get you?
Hi, one small cappuccino, please?
For here or to go?
Yes?
To stay or to go?
What did she say? Why are there two options?
To stay means drink here. To go means take it away.
Oh, okay. To stay, please.
Perfect. One small cappuccino to stay.
Wow, I did it! No app, no panic, just English.
See? You didn't explode. You ordered like a pro.
I almost ordered a heart attack instead of coffee.
Here you go. One cappuccino to stay.
Thank you. It looks amazing.
You did it! Real English, real world, zero Google Translate.
Yes! One cappuccino, one small heart attack.
That's how learning feels at first. But now you see, you can survive in English.
Yeah, I made mistakes, but people still understood me.
Exactly. That's communication. Not perfect grammar, just courage. How does it feel?
Like victory with milk foam.
That's how confidence tastes.
I like it. Maybe tomorrow I'll try ordering food.
One step at a time, hero.
One small coffee, one big step. Every try matters. No translation, no fear, just practice. Step by step, word by word. That's how we grow.
All right, hero. You survived the coffee shop. Now, ready for level 2?
Nervously, level 2. What now? Talking to birds in English?
Close. You'll ask for directions.
Directions? Like talk to a stranger? Oh no.
Yes, real English, real world. No panic.
Okay, deep breath. What do I say?
Easy. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center? That's too long.
You'll be fine. Just smile. Everyone helps nice people.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
No, this one goes to the park. The next one goes to the center.
Oh, thank you. The next one. Okay.
You're welcome. Your English is good.
Really? Wow. Thank you so much. Did you hear that? He said my English is good.
See? I told you. No one bites at the bus stop.
I almost forgot to breathe, but it worked. Wow, everyone is quiet. No phones, no noise.
Perfect place to think in English.
Yeah, I'm thinking about how nervous I was 10 minutes ago, and now I'm just happy.
That's progress. Small wins make big change.
Narration. Every step feels scary at first, but once you try, it becomes easy. A short question, a small smile, and suddenly the world feels bigger. This is what learning really means.
Next stop, the library. Ready?
A library? Wow, I haven't been to one in years.
It's the perfect place for quiet English practice.
Quiet English? That's my favorite kind. No talking, just peace. It smells like books and dreams.
And knowledge. Pick any book that looks interesting.
Okay. Oh, look. Easy stories for beginners. That's me.
Perfect match. Let's sit by the window.
Once upon a time, there was a small bird. Wait, I understood that.
See? No translation, no app, no panic.
I didn't even think in my native language. I just understood.
That's your brain switching to English mode.
English mode. Sounds like a superpower.
It is. You just unlocked level 3.
You know what? This feels calm. No pressure, no test, just me and the story.
That's real learning. When English feels like discovery, not homework.
I love that. Maybe I'll start reading one page every day.
One page is all it takes. Consistency beats perfection.
Sometimes progress is silent. You don't see it, but you feel it. One word connects to another, and suddenly, English isn't foreign anymore. It becomes part of you.
You did great today. One last mission before we end the day.
Oh no, not another one. What is it this time? Skydiving in English?
Not yet. Just the movies.
The movies? Okay, that sounds safe.
Exactly. You'll buy the tickets, no translation, no help.
So, social anxiety on the big screen? Got it.
Hi there. How can I help you? Hi. 2 tickets for The Secret Planet, please. Sure. Which row would you like?
Row?
Row means line of seats, like line 6, 7, 8.
Oh, row 6, please.
Great. That'll be 12 euros.
Here you go. Thank you.
Enjoy the movie.
I will. You know what? I understood everything she said. No panic, no Google Translate.
That's what happens when you trust yourself.
Feels weird, but good. Like my brain finally believes me.
That's not weird. That's growth.
Okay, last level unlocked, movie English.
You're officially fluent in popcorn. What a day, huh? You survived coffee, buses, books, and the cinema.
Yeah, my brain needs a vacation now. But it was a good day.
You did every mission without Google Translate. That's huge.
Honestly, I didn't think I could. This morning, I was scared to even say cappuccino. Now I'm asking strangers for directions.
That's growth, Lisa. Real-life English. Not perfect, but brave.
I made mistakes all day, but people smiled, helped, understood. I guess communication isn't about grammar. It's about connection.
Exactly. Communication is courage in action.
You know what? I think I learned more today than in months of study. Because today, I wasn't learning about English, I was living it.
That's how real learning feels. Alive, messy, human.
Messy, human, and full of coffee.
Best combination.
Sometimes the biggest change starts in small moments. A word, a smile, a mistake that makes you laugh. Today, I learned something simple. You don't need perfect words to speak. You just need a courage to try. No app, no fear, just English and me. Today was my little adventure. If you liked it, stay with me. Subscribe to this channel and come back tomorrow. I post every day. We can practice real-life English together.